أشهد أن لا إله إلا الله أشهد أن لا إله إلا الله أشهد أن محمدا رسول الله أشهد أن محمدا رسول الله حي على الصلاة حي على الصلاة حي على الفلاح حي على Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alameen wa salatu wa salamu ala nabiyyina Muhammadin wa ala alihi wa ashabihi wa azwajihi ajma'in amma ba'd fa'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim bismillahir rahmanir rahim Rabbi shrah li sadri wa yassir li amri wahlul 'uqdatam min lisani yafqahu qawli Rabbi zidni ilman ajma'in inshallah. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala increase in all of us knowledge. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Nice to see you, brothers and sisters. We are going to do a little bit of revision again, brothers and sisters. Tawa'a, form 3. What is the meaning of tawa'a? Wafaka, to agree. Ata'a, to obey. Wafaka is to agree. Ata'a is to obey. Wafaka, form 3. Ata'a, form 4. Okay? Now, al-mutawa'atu is the master from tawa'a, yutawi'u. And mutawi'un is ismu fa'il. What is the meaning of mutawi'un? In grammar, that there is a verb and active voice, but with a passive voice meaning in relation to another form of the same verb. Okay? A verb and active voice, but with a passive meaning in relation to another form of the same verb. So, brothers and sisters, we have here kassartu zujaja. Kassartu. Form 2. Okay? And then we say takassara zujaju. I smashed the glasses to pieces. The next meaning is the glass smashed to pieces. Who did it? So that is, because we don't know who did it, it conveys the meaning of passive, majhul. Are you with me? It conveys the meaning of majhul. And you know, in form 7, where the meaning of passive is conveyed, there is no mafulun bihi. It means they are intransitive. If there is no mafulun bihi, means they are intransitive. Got the idea, brother and sister? Now here is another example. So there is a special relationship between form 2 and form 5. Now, fatahtul baba, form 1. When you bring it in form 7, in fatahal babu. So in other words, the mafulun bihi becomes the file. And the file is dropped. File gets dropped. Okay, brothers and sisters? I have written another, which is the relationship between form 1 and form 8. Malatul kuba. I filled the cup. And in form 8, what will happen? Imtala kubu. Kubu, file. The cup was filled. The same thing is rafatu thawta. I raised the voice. In form 8, it will become irtafa sawtu. The voice was raised, So, in all these things, the file is 2, which gets eliminated, which is omitted. Are you with me? So, this process is called al-mutawa. So, signifying the meaning of mutawiyun verb. What is mutawiyun? A verb in an active voice, but with a passive meaning in relation to another form of the same verb. This is all you have to remember, brother. And more example I have here. Allamtuhu, I taught him. So what happened? He learned. So who, mafulun bihi, is the file in ta'allama. And zawashtuhu, I got him married. So what happened? He married. So where is who in here? Damir mustatir, file. Remember? Akhartuhu, I delayed him. So what happened? He got delayed. Ta'akhara. Okay. So this is all you have to keep it in mind, brothers and sisters. Now, I'll quickly read, brothers and sisters, page 87 in the key. This we are referring to form 5. This bab denotes, among other things, al-mutawa'atu, which means that the object of a verb becomes the subject. Are you with me? The object of the verb in one form becomes the subject of the verb in another form. Okay? Example, Zawwajani Abi Zainaba. My father married me to Zainab. Here my father is the subject. And there are 2 objects, me and Zainab. Now if Bab Tafa'ala is used, form 5 is used, I become the subject. And Zainab remains object. And my father has no role in it, brothers and sisters. So when you bring it in form 5, what will happen? Tazawwajtu Zainab. I married Zainab. This is it, brothers and sisters. This is the meaning of al-mutawa. I give you one more example, brother. Are you with me? I am not writing, but you will understand. Allamani Bilalun. What is the meaning of it? Allamani Bilalun. The Bilal taught me al-lughat al-arabiyya. Bilal taught me Arabic language. Now I bring it in form 5. Ta'allamtu lughat al-arabiyya. I learned lughat al-arabiyya. Are you with me? I give you one more example, brother. Allamani Muhammadun al-Qur'ana. Translation, brother? Muhammad taught me the Quran. Now I bring it in form 5. Ta'allamtu al-Qur'an. I learned Quran. So this process is called mutawa. Are you with me? This process is called mutawa. Inshallah, you have noted it down, and you will keep this in mind, inshallah, brothers and sisters, and you will revise the key of book 3 whenever you get an opportunity. Revise it. And that way, gradually, these things that we are learning will become permanent part of your understanding and your memory, inshallah. So we come to number 4 now in our dars, brothers and sisters. What is the page number, Sister Hafsa? 191. Yufidu bab in fa'ala al-mutawa'ata. Are you with me? Yufidu. What is yufidu? Afada yufidu. Bab in fa'ala indicates al-mutawa. It indicates al-mutawa. And what is al-mutawa? Okay, you understood that. Takulu fatahtul baba fanfataha. Fanfataha. So it opened. Brother and sister, al-baba is mafulun bihi. It should become fa'il. Has it become fa'il? Has it become fa'il? How do you know it is fa'il? Damir mustatir. Damir mustatir. If you say in fataha, what is the meaning of in fataha? It opened. What is the meaning of in fataha? It opened. So where is it? It is your file, huwa. And that returns to bab. Fine, brother. Ta'amalil musal thum akmil naqis. Brother and sister. Al-misal fatahtul baba in fatahal babu. Got the idea, brothers and sisters? Kasartu al-kuba. Are you with me, brothers and sisters? Kasartu al-kuba. What is the meaning of this sentence? I did not smash. I just broke. I did not smash. I just broke. What will be when you bring it into form 7? In kasar al-kub. The cup broke. In kasar al-kub. So can you see the mafulun bihi change into fa'il? Qata'atul habla. I cut the rope. What happens? In qata'al hablu. The rope got cut. Fine, brother and sister. Kalabtul kitaba. I overturned the book. Kalabtul kitaba. So what happened now? In kalabal kitabu. The book overturned. Hazam al-muslimun al-kuffara. The Muslims defeated the kuffar. How will you say it in form 7, brothers and sisters? In hazam al-kuffaru. The kuffars were defeated. Mutawiu fa'ala. What is fa'ala, brother? Form 1. Are you with me? Mutawiu fa'ala in fa'ala. In other words, in fa'ala obeys fa'ala. Are you with me? Inshallah. Kama raita, as you saw. Amma fa'ala famutawi'uhu tafa'ala. So, form 1 has a relation with form 7, And form 2 has a relation with form 5. And what kind of a relation? That the maf'ulun bihi becomes the fa'il in other form and conveys the meaning of passive, even though it is active. Are you with me? The verb is active, but it conveys the meaning of passive. Ta'amalil misala, thum akmilil nakas. Kasartu zujaja, takassara zujaju. We just had talked about it a little while ago. Now you do it, brother. Katatul habla, takattal hablu. MashaAllah. Okay, this is done, brother. Inkasara changes into ankasara. Okay, إذا دخلت همزة الاستفهام على إن فعل حذفت همزة الوصل. همزة الوصل is dropped. Is it clear, brother and sister? This is very easy. Because Hamzatul Wasal cannot be pronounced if something comes in front of it. So as it is not pronounced, it is dropped. Okay, brothers and sisters? In writing also. In pronunciation as well as in writing. But you have to use your voice to indicate that it is a question. Ankasara. What is the meaning of, if I only say Ankasara? Did it break? Did it break? Fine, brothers and sisters. Now watch these sentences very carefully. Okay, brothers and sisters? Adkhil Hamzat al-istifham ala al-jumal al-atiyati. In kalabatis sayaratu. How will you say now? An kalabatis sayaratu. An kalabatis sayaratu. And a question mark. Because when you use Hamzatul Istifham, you got to use question mark. Fine. In fataha babul mat'ami. How will you say? An fataha babul mat'ami. Did the door of the restaurant opened? Number 3, in hazama mushrikun. What will you say now? An hazama al-mushrikuna. Fine. Aslama abuka. What will you do now? Aslama. This is a trick here for you. You will use the same thing, but no, not here. Form 4. Aslama. No, you got to use, because aslama has got Hamzatul Kata, not Hamzatul Wasal. Got the idea, brothers and sisters? Now, we have to get ready to find out Madi, Mudariya, Amr, and Ismu Fa'il and Mastar. Waqa al-kubu al-ard. What is the meaning of this sentence, brother? Waqa, to fall down. Okay? Waqa al-kubu, the cup fell on the ground. Waqa al-kubu al-ard means the cup fell on the ground. So what happened? One kasara, it broke. Got the idea? So what is one kasara? In kasara is Madi. هذا الباب لا ينفتح. This door doesn't open. It doesn't open. So let us analyze it. هذا مبتدا الباب بدل لا نافية. This is لا نافية. ينفتح فعل مضارع مرفوع بضمة فاعل مستتر تقديره هو يدل على باب. Translation, brother? This door does not open. That's it. Therefore, udkhul, enter, min babil akhari. Enter from the other door. Number 3, brother, this is a nice verb. Tantafiyu Anwaru Shawari. What is the meaning of this? Anwaru Shawari. What is the meaning of this Anwaru Shawari? Street lights. You know, on all the streets. Lights of all the streets. Tantafiu. Switched off. What is the verb? Intafa'a. Intafa'a. Got the idea? Madi is intafa'a. Okay, maybe I should write it down, brother. What is the Madi? How will you write down? Intafa'a. To switch off. Yantafi'u. How will you write down yantafi'u? Yantafi. And then, no dots, brothers and sisters, on the ya. Why? Because it is only a kursi. It is only a kursi for Hamza. Because before Hamza comes kasra. Yantafi'u. Tantafi'u anwaru shawari fi sa'ati al-khamisati sabahan. At 5 o'clock in the morning. Okay. Sababun kilabi. Sababun kilabis sayarati. What is the meaning of this? Sababun kilabis sayarati. The reason of the overturning of car. In kilab is to overturn. Sababu. What is sababu, brothers and sisters? Mubtada. Mubtada. Wahuwa mudaf. Where is mudaf ilayhi? Inkilab. What is inkilab? Master. Inkalaba, inkilab. Okay. Wahuwa mudaf. And sayarati, mudaf ilayhi. Okay. Where is the khabar now? Yes. Infijarus. Infajara. What is the meaning of infajara? To explode. What is the meaning of infajara? To explode. Blow out. Ihda ajalatihi. Ihda ajalatihi. Sababun kilabil sayarati. The reason of overturning of the car is the explosion of one of the tires. Ajalati is tires. This is plural. Ihda, one of its tires. Okay. The reason for overturning of the car is the blowing up of one of its tires. Infijaru is your khabar. Wahuwa mudaf. Where is mudaf ilayhi? Ihda. Wahuwa mudaf. Where is mudaf ilayhi? Ajalati. Wahuwa mudaf. Where is mudaf ilayhi? Ha. Final mudaf ilayhi, definite noun, ha. Got the idea? Inshallah. In hazam al-mushrikuna fi gazwati badrin. What is the meaning of this, brother? The mushriks were defeated in the battle of Badr. The mushriks were defeated in the battle of Badr. تخرج في المهد العام المنصرمة العام المنصرمة. Brother, what is al-am? Zarf. And al-munsarima is your naat. What is the meaning of munsarima? Mahdi. The year passed by. Are you with me? The year gone by. The year which elapsed. Al-am al-munsarima. So what is munsarima? Ism fa'il. Okay? The year gone by. Okay? تخرج في المعهد العام المنصرمة بدعة وَثَلَاثُونَ طَالِبًا. Okay, brothers and sisters. Brother Hassan, تَخَرَّجَ. What kind of a verb is this? Form 5. Huh? What is the meaning of تَخَرَّجَ? He graduated. Huh? Where is the file? Now you got to look to the whole sentence. Brother Muhammad, where is the file? Bid'atun is your file. Huh? Bid'atun. See, file is marfu. So you got to look. Bid'atun. What is the meaning of bid'atun, brother? Write it down. Huh? This is a nice verb. Huh? This is muzakkar. And bid'atun is muannas. Several, or even say few. Okay? Or even you can say some. In English we say more than 30. How many more? Few more than 30. Are you with me? How do you say in Arabic? Bid'atun or bid'un. Okay. Now, look at the sentence, brothers and sisters. Bid'atun is your file. Huh? What is the meaning of the sentence? تخرج في المهدي العام المنصرم. The year gone by, last year or past year, huh? More than 30 students graduated. Are you with me? You got the meaning? More than 30 students graduated. Okay, brother. Now we come to bid'atun. What is bid'atun? Fa'il. And then harfu atf. And what is thalathuna? Ma'tufun ala bid'atun. And what is taliban? Tamheez. Okay, brother, look at it. If the ma'dud is muzakkar, the number becomes muannas. That is why it is bid'atun. Okay, now let us change the ma'dud. And let us say talibatan. Now what will happen to the sentence? Takharrajat, we will say. Okay, are you with me? And what will happen to this? Bid'un. Write down, brother, in your note. What will you write down? Bid'un wa thalathuna talibatan. What will you write, brothers and sisters? Bid'un wa thalathuna talibatan. Because now talibatan is ma'dud, muannas, so we have to make it then adad, muzakkar, bid'un. These are all small things, but they are very important to keep it in mind. Very good, brothers and sisters. Safar al-fariqul munhazimu. Translation, brother. Safara, you know Safara, form 3, okay. Fariq is a team. Munhazim, the losing team, the team which was defeated. So what will you say in your translation? The losing team left or traveled. Got the idea, brothers and sisters? Alhamdulillah. Now comes another very beautiful and important thing. In kasafat shamsu yawma mata Ibrahimu. Okay? See, yawma. This is your zarf. Here, it comes as a mudaf. We don't say it is mudaf, but we understand it as a mudaf. Where is mudaf ilayhi? The whole sentence. The whole jumla failure, brother, will come as a mudaf ilayhi. Now this style comes in the Quran a lot. And we got to understand it well, brothers and sisters. So, brothers and sisters, mata fi'lun madin mabniun ala fatah. Ibrahimu fa'il. Al-jumlatul fi'liyatu fi mahalli jarrin. mudaf ilayhi. That's the way you will say it. Okay. In kasafatish shamsu, the sun was eclipsed the day Ibrahim died. So you will be watching this kind of a construction in the Quran also, brothers and sisters. Huna al-jumlatu mata Ibrahimu mudafun ilayha. وهي في محل جر ويوم مضاف ها أمثلة أخرى خذ take more example سافرت يوم زهرة النتائج. What is the meaning of this? زهرة النتائج. I traveled the day the results were appeared, or the results were announced or declared, but appeared is the right translation here. I traveled the day results appeared. So brother, what is it? Yawma zarf. Are you with me? And then zahara fi'al madi ta tanisi. And where is the file? Nataiju. What is the meaning of nataij? Results. Singular natija. It's in Urdu also, you know it. Next sentence, brother. Marittu. What is the meaning of marittu? I became sick. I got sick. Marittu yauma. I got sick the day. What happened on that day? Zar al-waziru al-jamiyata. The minister visited the university. Okay? So marittu yauma Zar al-Waziru Jamia. Very good, brothers and sisters. You understand now? So, Zara is your fi'lu madin, mabniun ala fatha, al-Waziru, fa'il, marfu'un, and al-Jamiyata, maf'ulun bihi. MashaAllah. Wa al-jumlatul fi'aliyatu fi mahalli jar mudaf ilayhi. Wulidtu. What is the meaning of wulidtu? I was born. I was born. Brother, what kind of a verb is this? Majhul. Where is knife file, Brother Hassan? Tu. What? Wulidtu. Tu is your knife file. Wulidtu. I was born. Brothers and sisters, wulidtu. Yawma, the day. What happened on that day? Mata Jaddi. Where is the file of Mata? Jaddu. Jaddu. So that is the way it is, brothers and sisters. A Jumla failure can come after Zarf, and it will be, the whole Jumla will be Mudafili. Okay? Now see, the beauty of book 3, that more verses of Quran are brought to us, so that we can see those things straight into the verses of the Quran. Fit Tanzili, Tanzil is the Quran, brother. Haza, what is Haza? Mubtada. And what is Yawmu? Khabar. It is khabar. It is your khabar. What is the meaning of? This is the day. This is the day. Okay? Fine. Now after Yawmu, brothers and sisters, you know, I will not call it Zarf now. Because Zarf has to be mansoob. Zarf has to be, do you know that? Or you don't know this? Zarf has to be mansoob. So here it is not zarf, brother. Here it is a noun. Are you with me, brother and sister? Hadha, this is the day. Okay, now it is coming as a mudaf. Wa huwa mudaf. We can say here, huwa mudaf. Where is mudaf ilayhi, brothers and sisters? Yanfa'u sadikina sidquhum. Brother Muhammad, yanfa'u. What is the meaning of yanfa'u? What is madi of yanfa'u? Nafa'a. Nafa'a, yanfa'u. MashaAllah. What is the meaning of nafa'a? To benefit. To benefit. Okay. Where is the file of yanfa'u? Nobody will answer? No. Look at the sentence. You got to look at the sentence. No, that is not marfu, brother. Still go further. What is left now? Sidku. Can you see marfu? That's the way we are going to understand the Quran, brother. You will read it thoroughly. So where is the file of yanfa'u? Sidquhum. And what is sadaqina? Mafulun bihi. It is mafulun bihi, brothers and sisters. Sidku, brothers and sisters, here is truthfulness, honesty. Truthfulness and honesty. This is the day, the honesty of them will benefit, those who were truthful. Are you with me, brothers and sisters? Their honesty will benefit those who were truthful. So, sadikun, sadikuna, sadikina. Okay? Are you with me, brothers and sisters? Their truthfulness will benefit the truthful people. Okay, brother? Here is another explanation of zarf and mudafilihi. Yawma mata Ibrahimu takdiruhu yawma mauti Ibrahima. Mata became mauti. Got the idea? Inshallah. Now you see, mauti is a noun. It's a masdar. Okay? So you got it. Now, brothers and sisters, we are going to learn the next thing, which is very, very interesting in detail, inshallah. Brothers and sisters, I wrote down on the board. Don't tell me you forgot this also. What is love? Harf imtinai limtinai. What happens in the love? The first one. Brother, it is harf. It indicates that the second thing failed to materialize because the first thing did not happen. Okay? Love ishtahatta la najahta. The second thing, najahta, you did not succeed, did not materialize, did not happen because the first thing did not happen. You did not work hard. That's the way it is to be understood. Always in these two cases, we'll start with the second thing first. Remember, lawla is one word, not two. One word. Are you with me, brothers and sisters? Lawla is one word. Now, what is the meaning of lawla? Again, it is harfu imtinai. What is imtinai? What is imtinai? Mastar. From form 8. What is the verb? Imtana'a. What is the meaning of imtana'a? To become impossible. To be or become impossible. Huh? Now, inshallah, you will recollect your thoughts. So, harfu imtinai. Again, harfu imtinai goes to the second thing. Li wujudi is the first thing. Imtana hudusul fi'l thani. The second action did not happen, or it became impossible, did not happen. Why? Li wujudi fi'l awal. Because of the presence of the first. Are you with me, brothers and sisters? So please remember this. Now we are going to study the lesson. Is it clear? No, because you need an example. You need an example. Okay? I will write down the example. That will make more sense, inshallah. Now, I am writing this from the dars. Are you with me, brothers and sisters? Asalim al-rukabu. Asalim al-rukabu. Did the passenger survive? Were they safe? What was the answer? Naam. Salimu. Can you go into the main lesson, brothers and sisters, of lesson 22? Can you find it? As-salim al-rukabu. Were the passenger safe? Did they escape injury? We are talking about the main lesson. What is the 188? What is the next line? Naam. 189. I have a different book. My notes are in a different book, brother and sister. Naam Salimu. They escaped. They survived. They were safe. Okay. Well, alhamdulillah. What is the next line, brother? Lawla fadlullahi alayhim lamatu. But for the grace of Allah. But for the grace of Allah, they would have died. Brother, they did not die. Imtana hudusi fi'li thani. The jawab, which is fi'l thani, or the action, you can say, it did not take place. They did not die. Why is it that they did not die? Because the first thing was mawjood. What was mawjood? Fadlullah was mawjood. Are you with me? Is it clear? Brother Hassan? Brother Muhammad? Because the Fadlullah was there, okay, therefore they did not die. So we say, Lawla. Now you can say, if the grace of Allah was not there, they would have died. Are you with me? Fine, brothers and sisters. What is lawla? What is lawla? Harfu imtanai li wujud. Always you will say this. Inshallah, when you will revise often, brothers and sisters, it will become part of your memory. I must remind you, brother and sister, this is an intensive course. There are things you will understand quickly. There are things you may not understand. Every single day we are coming here. Every single day we are learning more. And every single day you have to go home and revise. And if you can't revise, you will fall behind. My job is here to explain you as much as I can, brother, in all my sincerity. The rest lies in your court, brothers and sisters. You got to work hard. And remember, this is an intensive course. We are trying to finish something in 7 months, which normally takes more than 2.5 years. And we are doing it in 7 months. Okay? So you have to understand the pressure is there. You got to cope with it. You got to cope with it, inshallah. That's why my suggestion from the very beginning has been that you should become strong in conjugation. Okay? And the rest of the things, you make a note of it. And then as you will revise them, things will become very clear. And now, to top this all off, you will get the DVDs. So that will help you, brother. This was not in the planning. It just happened all of a sudden. That the idea was put forth in our committee, and our committee said that if this is going to benefit the students, let's do it. So inshallah, when the DVDs will come out, you will then be able to revise it at your own pace. There will be no pressure on you.